Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Waverly. Ayan, nagkakamping kami dito January 1. Ito may campground. May mga nagtitent dyan. Kami, hindi kami nagdala ng tent pero nagdala lang kami ng table. Ayan, nandun yung kainan namin. Kagandahan dito, meron ding playground sa mga bata. Ayan. May playground sa mga bata. Tapos kung pwede rin ditong magmumotor yung mga bata. So meron kaming maliit na motorcycle din para sa anak ko. Yan ang kagandahan sa campground na ito. Tapos over dyan sa pababa, meron dyan beach yung pinakita ko nung nakaraan na magandang beach. Kaso ngayon medyo maalon kasi mahangin, tsaka medyo malamig dahil walang araw. Maulap lang siya, kaya malamig maligo. Ito si Ara gustong pumunta doon. Ara, let's go! Ito naman yung beach guys. Pwede kayo maligo dito. Kaso nga lang, maalon dahil mahangin.
Lupa naman siya.
Low tide na siya.
Ha?
Low tide. Ganyan yan siya pag low tide. Tapos, pag walang hangin yan, napakasarap niyan. Hindi mo makikita mga alon dyan. Pwede ka rin gumala doon. Yung mga bata dito, yan naglalaro ng hangin. Tingnan natin dito sila JP. Saan sila JP, Peng?
Ha?
Saan sila JP? Ha? Dito? Andun sila. Andun sila.
Hey, what's up?
Natatakot dito sa taas na pag mag-slide, tabunan ka talaga niyan.
Puro panas na.
Tara na, balik tayo. So farm na ito dito. Doon na, dito lang oh. Balik tayo. Pag muulan, no? Ayan ang view ng beach, guys. Ayan. Kaso natatakot akong umapak dito kasi pauka kasi to. Mamaya mahuhulog. Mag-landslide. Puliton, tas ubusan eh. Nakakatakot.
Kaya ito na shoot. Mag-live ba? Tungtong sa quad. Na. Slide. Apil.
Hulog ka.
Oo.
So,
Wala
pero-
kayo pero sa ilalim eh. Gamo naman.
Pero nindot ang beach, oh. Ganda ng beach dito. Akit tayo dito. Saan man sila? Asan tayo na ni? Ay, oo. Nakatakot. Woohoo! Ganda na view. Tingnan nyo guys, dyan sa baba oh. Nakakatakot pag ito yung mag-collapse. Sa baba talaga pupulutin. Ayan. Nag-enjoy yung mga kabataan doon, no? kahit malalaking alon. Kagandahan kasi ng beach nito guys, pinong-pinong. You know, hindi ka matatakot na matinik, hindi ka matatakot na maglakad sa buhangin kasi pinong-pino. At saka ang beach nito, hindi rin yung biglang lalim. Talagang ano yan, straight lang yan dito, walang ano, siguro dito sa pinakamalalim na, doon sa pinakamalalim, yun yung biglang lalim, pero dito banda talagang ano lang yan, buhangin yan. Hindi ka mabibigla. So safe sa mga kabataan. Kahit mga malalaking alon yan, no, talagang nag-enjoy pa yung mga bata. Ayun, pinong-pino, ganyan ang buhangin doon. Pinong-pino, walang bato. Meron din ditong mga maliliit na kuiba tulad dito na pwede kang mag-sit up ng yung higaan dito kung mainit. Pwede kang magdala ng upuan para mag-relax dyan, uupo, tapos kakain-kain habang nanonood sa mga naliligo. Ayun. Subukan namin umakyat dyan kasi maraming mga sigil dyan sa may malaking bato na yan kung anong meron dyan. Parang nakakatakot. Matakotin kasi ako sa mataas. Nagbulabog yung mga sigil.
Look what the water's done. See what the water's done?
Yeah, that's us.
Here and here.
That's cave.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, is it not dangerous to go there?
Here and here.
Yeah, inside.
When tide's in, where the boys and I went,
Yeah.
if tide was in, you'd have to go quite a long way into the cave to be out of the water.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, it's quite dangerous to go up there. The birds are not happy. The seagull is not happy. We're disturbing maybe the nature there. There's eggs.
Yeah, I think there's some little babies there.
Yeah,
Mum's
eggs.
not happy with us.
Yeah. I think we just leave them alone. No, we're not going there.
There's the babies,
Yeah,
bird, guys.
but it's a really good view in here. Ganda.
They're breeding.
Careful in there. But
There's a bigger.
we can try.
It's got its nice and high.
Kaya pala hindi sila masaya ang mga ibon. Are they not seagulls? Are they not seagulls? Because ang dami palang egg. Yan oh. Ang daming egg. Delikado maapakan. Yeah. Look at that. So marami pala. Delikado pag maapakan. See? So I just have to be careful because that's dangerous if you can slip on there. See, meron pa dito. Ayan, may egg pa. See? There's egg. There's egg. And there's a lot of birds poo. This one is a bird poo. Yan, meron pa dun. Oh, even dito, meron mga egg. See the... Maliit lang yung ano nila. Yung pugad nila, kaya hindi sila masaya. This is their sanctuary. So here is a nice view from here. You can see the sea. Nakita niyo yung pinakadagat dito. Doon pwede naman freedom camping dyan. Pwede ka magka-camp kung meron kang caravan or motorhome. Then in this side, look at that. You can see the windmill over there. It's amazing. I think I have to go down because the birds are not happy anymore. Yeah, I'm just disturbing them. But there's a lot of nest eggs. But I just say only one egg in one hole. Yan. Yan, isa lang egg. Ito yun, tagi-isa. So ito, meron pang caves pala dito. Oh, dalawa. Ayan. Oh. At para nakakatakot pag pumunta doon na baka mahulog, baka mag-collapse. Well, I guess this clay is very strong and stable, I think. See that? Oh, wow, nice. What's this yellow? There's a lot of writings already. People just keep on writing. Hindi man lang nila hayaan pumunta sila dito, wala silang gagawin, but there's a lot of writings. Can see that. Woo. Yeah, ang pinaka maganda lang talaga dito sa beach na to, sa Waverly Beach. Ito sa Waverly Beach, New Zealand. Nakamaganda kasi nga ito buhangin. Although na black sand siya, pero wala, tingnan mo naman, walang, kahit maglakad ka dito nakapaa, wala kang maapakang bato maliban sa mga maliliit na to, pero hindi naman siya sharp sa mga maliliit na yan. Ang ganda. Meron pa dito yung mga
Dairy.
yes,
Around here.
you found something good.
This one here, you can see that line. It must be a drag ladder.
Oh yeah.
See? You can climb out.
Oh, so there must be a
You can climb out
to the top, eh?
if you look skinny enough.
Nah, I'm not skinny enough to go there. Yeah. Oh, ah. Meron daw, ano. Yeah.
The water's coming out of the rock there, see?
Yeah, it's dripping.
Yeah.
But I don't like people
See,
writing.
it's gone rusty.
Yeah,
That means it must be metal.
must be metal, eh, on the
Yeah.
top. Or gold. Ah, gold. Gold doesn't rust.
You see all the little whatever
Holes,
they
eh?
are?
Yeah.
That's crabs.
Oh, is it? The
Yeah.
crabs eating them?
Yep.
Oh. Oh, there's small crabs in here. There's a lot of crabs. Meron pa dito maliit na packet.
There's mussels growing on there.
Yeah.
There's mussels here.
It's growing.